So here we are at Chuff. We've just completed 2 afternoons of brand discovery workshops with Joe and Tricia from AdGreen, and it's been great fun. As always, illuminating, and we've come up with some really fun concepts that we think have got legs in terms of their use in campaigns. So, Joe, it'd be great if you'd share just a little, now that we've just finished, literally minutes ago, if you wouldn't mind sharing your thoughts, that would be great.
Of course. I think for me that was so useful because AdGreen is already an existing entity, but we're kind of taking it we're kind of making it more grown up. So for me, it was really important to kind of understand what the kind of revised or enhanced tone should be and how we can now describe ourselves with the different partnerships that we've got as part of how we've evolved. So yeah, and now know what makes us different, better, and remarkable, which is good. I've got loads of chat for my next keynote speech. So yeah.
That's great. Tricia, you're an old hand, less of the old, I know, but you've done this before. So how did that compare with the one that we did for you recently?
Well, it was brilliant, and I knew it would be because I've done a workshop with you before. I have vested interest in both the workshops, both my own company and also AdGreen, who are my fantastic client. And I had 100% confidence in the process because I'd seen it already unfold, and I knew that we would get a good outcome. Easy for you to say, in a really short space of time that would give both Joe and I the confidence to be able to talk about this exciting sort of new departure for AdGreen in exactly the right way to be able to convey our messages to all of our stakeholders. So thank you, Mark, very, very much.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you very much for doing that with us. So yeah, there may well be stage 2, which will be exciting, but either way, best wishes for the development of the visual elements of your brand, and thank you both for kindly doing this little video testimonial. Thanks very much.
Thank you.